Hello and welcome to our exciting course of Model Context Protocol or MCP and Agent Communication Protocol or ACP in AI agents. MCP and ACP are two wings of AI agents. MCP helps AI to give us relevant responses by the context or information that it provides to large language models or to AI in general. ACP helps AI agents to collaborate with other AI agents seamlessly, creating sophisticated and complex AI workflows. Now let's see what's the content and structure of this course. The course clearly explains the concepts of AI agents, MCP and ACP. We will build local and remote MCP servers using Python. It covers the security and production-grade deployment module for MCP servers. And we will build ACP-compatible AI agents with ACP SDK and a framework called BAI. And we will cover security, scalability, and observability for ACP-compatible AI agents. If you are not a developer, no worries. There is a section dedicated for solution architects, technology leaders, CTOs, and entrepreneurs, or generally anyone who has a hand in business and is not a developer specifically. Now let's see what you need to have to get the best out of this course. First off, I need to let you know that this is not a Python tutorial. If you absolutely don't know anything about Python, unfortunately, this course cannot teach you Python. Learning Python needs a large course, and it doesn't fit in the scope of this course. There are many nice courses about Python on Udemy, for example. You can take those and learn Python. In saying that, you don't need to be very good at Python. As long as you understand the code when I explain it to you, you will be fine. Specifically, there is a library called FastAPI in Python, and if you don't know that, it's better that you Google FastAPI, learn just the basics of FastAPI. You don't need to become very good at coding FastAPI, and you will be fine. As we go through the course, either I will write the code or I will show you the code that I have written before, and I explain the code line by line to you so that you learn the concepts, and also you can use the code if you want in your own programming. It's free for you to use. You can copy and paste the code and use it. Also, we will work on some small projects so that you understand why we use MCP and why we use ACP and where and how we use them. Rest assured that you are learning from an expert. I work as a principal architect in a large enterprise where I use MCP and ACP to modernize our ecosystem. Let's jump into the course and begin learning about Model Context Protocol or MCP.